What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructify video. Today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can add keyframes. So you see, like, I have a keyframe right here, one right here, and I have a keyframe right here. So today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can add a keyframe super easily. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any help. Alright, so what you have to do is always drag that video, right? So once you drag that video, you're going to have a little option, right? So I'm gonna just delete this one. I'm gonna just restart. So once you drag that video, you're gonna have like a little option right here. You see where it says scale, so you can like scale it, whatever, make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want to do. And from there, what you have to do, you have a little button right here where it said add keyframe, right? So you just click on that, boom, and there you go. You just added a keyframe. So look, from here, you just added a keyframe right here. So let's say I want to add a keyframe, a new one, right? So add a keyframe, boom. Let's add another one. Add a keyframe right here. Boom. Let's make this small. And that's how you add keyframes. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and if you guys need any help, make sure you leave a comment down below in the description.